You may now close your eyes and take a nice deep breath as you start to move inward. With every breath you take, allow yourself to relax even deeper. As you continue to breathe and relax with your eyes closed, move your attention to the toes of your feet. Allow the toes of your feet to relax and release any stress, any tension, heaviness, or tightness that it may have been holding on to. Releasing and letting go of all stress and tension in the toes of your feet now, as you breathe in and out. Feel this relaxation gently moving into your feet, all the way into your ankles. As you continue to breathe and relax your feet so deeply now, feel this relaxation gently moving up the calves of your legs and into your knees. And from your toes to your knees, feel a deep wave of calm relaxation. Continuing to release any stress, any tension you may be holding on to between your toes and your knees. Breathing in and out. Feel this relaxation now moving up your thighs, all the way up into your hips, allowing your thigh muscles and your hips to really relax now, letting go of any tightness or heaviness in those areas. Feel your lower back relax very, very deeply, as well as your lower abdomen. Breathing in and out. Feel this relaxation moving up your stomach, going all the way up to your chest, all the way up to your shoulders. Feel this relaxation also moving up your spine, your lower back, mid back, and upper back. Letting go, releasing and clearing any stress or tension, heaviness, discomfort in your lower back, mid, and upper back. Your muscles, your spine, your digestive system, your organs, your heart, your chest and lungs, all the way up to your shoulders. Feel your shoulder muscles relaxing and releasing, becoming so light and so comfortable with every breath you continue to take. Breathing in and out. Feel this relaxation now gently moving down your arms, hands, and fingers. Releasing anything you may have been holding on to in your arms, hands, and fingers now. Breathing in and out. Your neck muscles also relax very, very deeply. Feel your neck muscles relaxing, loosening, and becoming lighter with every breath you take. And as your muscles relax, you may feel the need to breathe just a little deeper. breathing in and out. Feel this relaxation now moving up the back of your head, over your scalp, down your forehead, your eyelids, your face, and your jaw, and your entire physical body now relaxes deeply and completely with every breath you take. For the next few moments, just enjoy the breath, the relaxation, as you continue to go into a space of peace and calm. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out, gifting yourself the space of peace, calm, and total physical relaxation.